Good morning, students. Now, see about the topic lesson 1 measurement. Up to the measurement idvarikku paatho enadhu measurement, the system of SI units, SI basic units of the system. Next, temperature, definition for temperature, definition for electric current, then conversion of scales of temperature, Celsius scale, Kelvin scale, Fahrenheit scale. Next, amount of substance, luminous intensity, see plane angle. Up to this topic, are you clear? I hope. Okay, the next topic, now see about solid angle. What is mean by solid angle? Already you know plane angle. Plane angle means intersecting between two points. Okay, plane angles intersecting between two straight line or intersection of two planes. Already you know very well. Okay, the next, the solid angle. Solid angle is a three or more plane angle. More plane angle intersecting at the common point. That means solid angle. Solid angle is formed by three or more planes intersecting at the common point. Plane angle are intersecting between two points or two planes intersecting at the common point. Solid angle are three or more planes intersecting at the common point. Okay, so the solid angle is a center of the sphere suspended by the portion of the surface area. See the picture. The stadian unit is solid angle unit is stadian. Solid angle unit is stadian. One stadian, that means the radius, the center of the sphere radius is 1 meter. Then the cone shape, the surface is 1 meter square. Surface means is the round surface. The round surface, that means the cone is a surface. Cone oda surface irukliya, and the surface is a 1 meter square. Are you clear? So the intersecting between three or more planes at the common point. Three or more lines intersecting at the common point, this is known as solid angle. The SI unit of solid angle is stadian. That is the definition. The stadian is the solid angle at the definition of stadian means the solid angle at the center of the sphere. Solid angle is a center of the sphere subtended by the portion, the surface area. The area of the surface is equal to the surface. Which surface? The radius of the sphere. Okay, so the stadian is defined as the center of the sphere subtended by the portion, the surface area is equal to the radius of the surface. The radius of the surface means square of the radius of the surface. So the stadian is the solid angle unit is stadian is defined as the portion of surface area is equal to square of the radius of the sphere. This is the definition for stadian. Solid angle definition means it is the angle formed by three or more planes intersecting at the common point. Are you clear? Okay. The SI unit of solid angle is stadian. That I will told. So the denoted is the letter is symbol SR, small letter. This must be put in small letter. I hope. Are you clear? Okay. Next topic. What are the difference between plane angle and solid angle? Plane angle between intersection of two lines or planes. Are you clear? Angle between intersection of two or more planes. Already you know. Next is solid angle. The solid angle between intersection of three or more planes at the common point. That means this is the two-dimensional plane angle. This is the second point. This is a two-dimensional. The solid angle is three-dimensional. What? Why three-dimensional? So three or more planes intersecting at the common point. That means three-dimensional. Okay. Is a two-dimensional means direction as well as magnitude. Three-dimensional means as well as is a three-dimensional means as well as direction, magnitude, is all are possible in three ways. Okay, so the radian, the plane angle unit is radian, the solid angle unit is steradian. This is the difference between plane angle and solid angle. Are you clear, students? Okay, next topic is clocks. Is a very important. Nowadays you using clocks. All are we are all are using clocks. Clocks is, which is the purpose, which is measured to time. Okay, so clock is used. The purpose is measure the time. So the uses for clocks means used to measure time intervals, used for ancient time. The ancient time is a very important points. The time interval measure பண்றதுக்கு ancient time is used for the clocks. Next, scientists modified the clocks mechanism to obtain accuracy. Scientist எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றாங்க? Clocks is a clock mechanism to obtain accuracy. The term accuracy is a very important. Is a accurate measurement. Is a not error, erase any error. Okay, is not erase any error. That means is a accurate value. That means is measured for clock. Okay, nowadays we use the different clocks are used, analog clock and digital clocks, but olden days we are used only the sun clock. Sunrise or sunset is measure the time for sunsets or sun images. Okay, நம்மளோட பழைய காலத்தில் யூஸ் பண்ணது என்னது? சாண்ட் கிளாக் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருப்போம். இல்லைன்னா சன் செட் ஆகிறது அந்த டைமிங்கை வச்சு, சன் ரைஸ் ஆகிற டைமிங்கை வச்சு என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? இஸ் அ டைம் மெஷர் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, அதே மாதிரி இமேஜ் நம்மளுடைய நிழலை வச்சு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? மெஷர் பண்ணாங்க. ஓகே, த டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் கிளாக்ஸ் பேஸ்டு ஆன் டிஸ்பிளே. The types of clocks based on display. என்னென்ன clocks measure பண்ணுறோம்? Analog clock and digital clocks. Are you clear? The two types of clocks. One is another analog clock, another one is digital clock. Okay, is the analog clocks. First topic, analog clocks. Analog clocks நம்ம வீட்டில் எல்லாருக்கும் என்ன இருக்கும்? Clocks இருக்கும். The three hands இருக்கும். Okay, three hands. The hour hands is a small needle is measured. Hour hands. Next is a minutes hands. Next is a small needle is second clock. Okay, is a small, this is a small needle, this is a hour clock, this is a second minutes clocks, this is second clocks. Okay, are you clear? Three needles are present in the analog clock. One is minute, one is hours clocks, other one is minutes clock, other one is second clock. Okay, the hours hand means it is a short and thick. The hours hand is short, இப்படி இருக்கு, திக்கா இருக்கு. Okay, it shows hours. Okay, next minutes hand is a long and thin. Okay, measure is a minutes hand is long and thin, it shows minute. Okay, next third seconds hand, it is a long, very thin, it shows second. Okay, so one rotation in 1 minute. One rotation in 1 minute. Minutes means one rotation. One rotation is a one rotation means is a 60 seconds. Okay, 60 rotations means 1 hour. Okay, 60 rotation means 1 hour. The analog clocks is three hands are available. One is hour hand, other one is minutes hand, other one is seconds hand. Hour hands எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? is a short and thick, it shows hours measure பண்ண. Minutes hand is used for long and thin, it shows minute. Okay, to measure minute. Seconds hand we are used is a long and thin, very thin, it shows second. It is a measure for second. Okay, it makes 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 rotation means 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Are you clear? Okay, next topic is a digital clock. Digital clock we all are used in, many of the children are used in digital clock. Okay, so a digital clocks displays time directly. There is no needle, there is a no hours hand, there is no minutes hand, there is no seconds hand, only for digital display. Okay, the time is directly measured So directly we are used. The digital clocks also known as is the electronic clocks. Digital clocks are also known as is the electronic clocks. எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் இருக்கும் digital clocks? is a railway station, hospital, shopping mall, is etc. நம்ம hand watch எல்லாமே என்னது is a digital clock. We are used in, most of them are used in digital clocks. Okay. Next topic. Are you clear students? Is there two types? One is analog clock, other one is digital clocks. Analog clocks is used for 3 hands, but digital clocks are used in time directly. There is a no hands. Okay. So the types of clocks based on working mechanism. Okay, the types of clocks based on the working mechanism is what? One is quartz clock, other one is atomic clock. Are you clear? So first one is quartz clock, other one is atomic clock. Now see about the next topic. First one is quartz clock. Quartz clock பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்கு? Is a time measurement. Okay, so is a same clock also used as is a quartz clock. These clocks are activated by electronic oscillation. Important என்னது? Is a electronic oscillations. The electronic oscillations controlled by the quartz crystal. Okay, this is the electronic oscillation. These clocks controlled by the quartz crystal. So the frequency of the vibrations of the crystal is very precious. Precious means so more or less accurate measurement. More accurate measurements. The quartz clock is more accurate than another mechanical clock. So this measured only for accuracy. அக்யூரசிக்கு நம்ம வேணும்னு எதை யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? இந்த குவாட்ஸ் கிளாக். ஓகே, நார்மலாக எரருங்கிறது எல்லா இடத்துலையும் நடக்கும். பட் இதில் அக்யூரசி எப்படி இருக்கும்? இஸ் வெரி வெரி ப்ரீசியஸாக இருக்கும். அக்யூரசி மீன்ஸ் இஸ் accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 9 seconds. அப்படின்னா 10 power 9 seconds means 10 is a put is a 90. Okay, அவ்வளோ செகண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஒன் டைம் some error காட்டும். ஓகேவா? is a very very accuracy. 10 power 9 means 10 0 0 0 0 0 9 0 you put seconds. அப்போ அவ்வளோ செகண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஒன் டைம் சம் மிரர் எரர் காட்டும். ஓகேவா? சம் எரர் அக்யூரஸ் மெஷர்மெண்ட் இது ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணும். குவாட்ஸ் கிளாக் மற்ற கிளாக்கை விட இஸ் அ வெரி அக்யூரேட் மெஷர்மெண்ட் இருக்கும். 10 power 9 செகண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஒன் டைம் மட்டும்தான் என்ன காட்டும்? சம் எரர் காட்டும். Are you clear? Okay, next type is a atomic clock. Atomic clock, they are used the periodic vibrations. Okay, atomic clock is periodic vibrations with occurring at an atom. இங்க வந்து அங்க electronic vibration சொன்னோமா quartz clockல, இங்க atomic clockல periodic vibrations occurring with the atom. Okay, this clock accuracy எப்படி இருக்கும்னா 10 power 13 செகண்ட்ஸ்க்கு 1 செகண்ட் சம் எரர் காட்டும். அந்தளவு அக்யூரஸியாக இருக்கும். Are you clear? 10 power 9 சொன்னோம் குவாட்ஸ் கிளாக்கு. பட் அட்டாமிக் கிளாக்கு 10 power 13 செகண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஒன் டைம் சம் எரர் மிஸ்டேக் காட்டும். 10 power 13 மீன்ஸ் 10 0 0 0 13 0 செகண்ட்ஸ் போடணும். அவ்வளோக்கு 1 செகண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் என்ன காட்டும்? எரர் காட்டும். சரி, now uses for atomic clock is global positioning system. ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம ஜிபிஎஸ் பார்த்துருக்கோம் இல்லையா? ஓகே, ஜிபிஎஸ் வந்து என்னது? இதான் எங்கே நம்ம மேப்பில் என்ன பண்ணிடலாம்? சிக்னல் காட்டுறதுக்காக என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? இது ஜிபிஎஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு த குளோபல் நேவிகேஷன் சேட்டலைட் சிஸ்டம்லேயும் எது யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க? இந்த இஸ் அனதர் கண்ட்ரியோட நம்ம எந்த மாதிரியான இருக்குது போர் பண்ணணுமா வேணாமாங்கிறத டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணுறதுக்கு டிசைட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த குளோபல் நேவிகேஷன் சேட்டலைட் சிஸ்டம் இஸ் அக்யூரேட் மெஷர்மெண்ட்டை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு த இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் டைம் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் சர்வீஸ்க்கும் என்ன பண்ணுறோம்? இதை யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ த அட்டாமிக் கிளாக்ஸ் அண்ட் quartz clock is a very accurate measurement, but quartz clock விட atomic clock is a very very precious but accurate, more accurate. Are you clear? This is the two clocks பார்த்தோம். One atomic clock, another one is quartz clock. Quartz clock is accurate measurement, but compared to atomic clock is a more, okay, quartz clock compare பண்றப்ப atomic clock is a more accurate measurement. Are you clear? Okay, next topic students is accuracy in measurement. The word also used here, accuracy and precision, all are used. The term is a new term, is measured for accuracy in measurements, the error. Okay, some error are create. நார்மலாக ஒரு எரருங்கிறது இருக்கும். சம் அன்சர்டனிட்டி, that means error. The value of every measurement, every experiments are used in measurement is some create some error. Some error means some uncertainty. This uncertainty is called error. Are you clear? Error means every measurement contains some uncertainty, some unwanted measurement. That means error, uncertainty. Okay. The difference between real value and observed value is called an error. ரெண்டு definition சொல்லலாம். Every measurement, some practical experiment we do, we measure some experiments to measure the value, some error or erased. Is the difference between real value and observed value is called an error. Real value means we take the simple pendulum experiment, do the experiment, we measure the values, is calculated, is a accurate value means, real value means is a 9.8 meter per second square. That means the acceleration due to gravity. Are you clear? Acceleration due to gravity value is, that means g value is a theoretical value. Real value means theoretical value is 9.8 meter per second square. But we do the experiment, some mistakes, some erase the unwanted errors also produced. So observed value means experimental value. Observed value means experimental value. The value is 9.79 meter per second square. So the real value means 9.8 meter per second square. Observed value means 9.79 meter per second square. So these difference are also known as error. The real value and observed value is a minus, so the get the value is error. Are you clear? So the real value minus 9.78. Now real value means 9.8. Observed value is 9.79. Is equal to what? 0.01. Okay, is a accurate measurements. We are is a accurate measurement is a some error. Okay, some error is erased, is a experimental value, and error means value is 0.01. Are you clear? Okay, next accuracy. I hope error topic is clear. Okay, error means we do the experiment certain unwanted uncertainty. That uncertainty means error. The error is calculated for real value minus observed value. That means error. Okay, accuracy. Accuracy is closeness of a measured value to actual value or true value. That means accuracy. For example, per 9.8 meter per second square, observed value is 9.79. Okay, is a closeness. 0.01 is a difference between these two values. So closeness of actual or true value. That means accuracy. Are you clear? Next, precision. Precision means is a closeness of two or more measurement to each other. Some experiment we do the 2 or 3 times. Observed value means is a measured value. Measured value means is we do the experimental value. So for one value is 9.79, other value is 9.78, other value is 9.79. This is a precision. Are you clear? The experimental value 9.79, 9.78, 9.77. So many values are getting the experimental. So this value are known as precision. Are you clear? Accuracy நாப்பா இந்த 9.8க்கும் 9.79க்கும் இடையில இருக்கக்கூடிய டிஃபரன்ஸ் 0.01. ஸோ இஸ் அ க்ளோஸ்னஸ் ஆஃப் வேல்யூவாக இருக்குது, மெஷர்ட் வேல்யூவும் ட்ரூ வேல்யூவும். ஓகேவா, அதை தான் என்னென்னு சொல்கிறோம், அக்யூரசி. Precision means closeness of two or more measurement to each other. More measurement na experiment la நம்ம நிறைய values எடுப்போம். 9.79 ஒரு value, next value 9.78, next value 9.77. These are also known as precision. That means closeness of two or more measurements to each other. That means precision. Are you clear? Okay, next topic, approximation. Approximation is a process of finding number. Okay, are you clear? Approximation is a process of finding a number. Okay, acceptable to disclose the exact value of the measurement of the physical quantity. Acceptable to close to exact value of the measurement of the physical quantity. For example, estimation means your height is 9.78 is a measured value. Approximate you round off the value is 9.8. That means is a finding a number. The process of finding a number. Acceptably close to the exact value. For example, 5.9. Your height is measured for 5.9. Your round off automatically 6. You told 6. Okay. So 6 means is acceptable to exact value of the measurement. The physical quantity measurement is a process of finding a number. That means approximation. It is an estimation of a number obtained by round off the number is the nearest place value. You told first இப்போ நம்ம சொன்னோம் இல்லையா 5.9. 5.9 means is automatically round off for 6. So that is the find the solution for the problem. Okay, usually based on the certain assumption having the scientific background and can be modified whenever accuracy is needed. All our scientific background we needed some accuracy. So approximation is necessary for the scientific measurement. I hope are you clear. Okay, next topic is a rounding off. Calculator we are used, okay, all are used for the sum calculation. Okay, it's a larger 2 value is addition or 2 value is a multiplication, so you do very well. Okay, but more or less 3 or 4 digits multiply the 3-4 times you measured, we use the calculator. We calculate the calculator to too many digits are produced, so concern the more digits should be rounding off. Okay, the result is rounding off. For example, 349 into 349 or into 549 is etc is a multiplication, so produce the so many values for produced. So many values are produced, only the rounding off values are should be taken. Okay, we are used in many areas of physics. Example, jewelry shop, shopping mall, etc. we are used in the calculator. As all our grocery shop, etc. we are used. கடைக்கெல்லாம் போனீங்கன்னா அங்கே calculator is a calculation போடுவாங்க. Okay, is a very used for calculator. Okay. Rules of rounding off. Certain rules are produced or certain rules are declared by the scientist. So we first you used the round off. That means first rule is decides which is the last digits to keep. நம்ம தான் டிசைட் பண்ணணும் லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணணும் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணுமா வேணாமான்னு. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 2.345. okay, so the last digits is to keep or not is must be decide. Okay, is the first rule நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் டிசைட் பண்றோம் இருக்கணுமா வேண்டாமான்னு. Okay, next leave it same. Suppose 355 இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணிடணும் லீவ் பண்ணிடணும். ஏன்னா நெக்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட்ஸ் இஸ் less than 5 or 5. ஓகே, த லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட்ஸ் 5 அல்லது 5க்கு கம்மியாக இருந்ததுன்னா அது என்ன பண்ணிடணும் delete பண்ணிடணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் increased by 1 if the next digit is 5 or greater than 5. Suppose next digit is 5 or greater than 5. So example 356 is a rounding off, is a 5 is greater than that of 6 இல்லையா, அப்போ 6 is a rounding off, is a increased by 1 for the previous digit. So 2.35 plus 1 6, so the final answer is 2.36. that means rounding off. The 5 is greater than 5, so 6 is increased by 5, so 5 is increased by 1, so 2.36. that means rounding off. This is the rules for rounding off. First rule is decide the last digits to keep or not. Second, the same digits are present in the last, so is the same value but less than 5, so omit the last digits. The increase, the last digit is greater than 5 or greater than 5 or more than value, so the increased by previous digit is increased by 1. This is the rules for rounding off. Are you clear, students? Okay, is a consolidate, the first lesson is completed. So now recap. Okay, measurement. What is a measurement? Measurement is a important. So the measurement is the important one. So the finding unknown physical quantity to measure by using a standard quantity are used. Okay, the system of units are used. FPS system, next one, FPS system, CGS system, MKA system are all used the system of units. Next, SI base units we are used. So 7 fundamental units are used. This I hope you read very well. Next, temperature. Temperature is the definition, is the average kinetic energy of the particle of the system. That means temperature. The temperature unit is what? Kelvin. Very good. Next, electric current. Electric current means electric current. Electric current, what is mean by electric current? The symbol is I. I is equal to Q by T. I is equal to Q by T. I is equal to Q by T. So Q means charge, T means time. So the electric current I is equal to Q by T. The SI unit is ampere. Are you clear? Okay, next, amount of substance. Amount of substance means that means mole. The measure number of entities present in the substance is known as amount of substance. Are you clear, students? The number of entities, that means particles, number of particles present in any atoms, molecules, electrons, protons, that means amount of substance. Are you clear? Okay, next, the SI unit of amount of substance is mole. Mole means is an amount of substance which contains is a 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities are present. Okay, that means mole. Are you clear? Okay, next, luminous intensity. The luminous intensity, we are use the instrument for what? Photometer. That means is the power of emitted light by the light source in a particular direction per unit of solid angle is known as luminous intensity. Luminous intensity means is the power of emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called as luminous intensity. Okay, next, plane angle. Is a plane angle is defined for what? Is a two or more planes is are intersecting of two planes. Otherwise, the intersecting between two lines or planes is called plane angle. Plane angle formula is a radian. The unit is radian. Plane angle unit is radian. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. I hope do you know? Okay, next is a solid angle. Solid angle means 3 or more planes intersecting at the common point. That means solid angle. Solid angle unit is stadian. Plane angle unit is what? Is a radian. Solid angle unit is stadian. Okay, next, we are used in clocks. Is a very important accurate measurement. So we are used many clocks. The ancient time and scientists modified the clocks mechanisms to obtain accurate measurement. Okay, next, accuracy. Accuracy means closeness of a measured value to the actual value or true value. Okay, that means is a accuracy. Measured value means experimental value. Actual value or true value means theoretical value. Are you clear? Okay, accuracy is the closeness of measured value. Measured value means is the experimental value to the actual value means theoretical value. That means accuracy. Precision. Precision means is the closeness of two or more measured value. Measured value means experimental value is a two or more measurement to each other is known as is a precision. Are you clear? Okay, next, approximation. Approximation is a process of finding the number. Approximation is a process of finding a number. So is a rounding off is a very important thing. So the last topic is a rounding off. Rounding off means is a calculator we used for calculation too many digits in the calculator, so the rounding off is a measured value for rounding off. Rules for rounding off is decides the last digits it keep or not. Okay. Second point, leave it same digits or less than 5, so omit the last digits. Okay. Third point, increased it by 1. If the next digit is 5 or greater than 5 இருந்தா last digitsல ஒன்று add பண்ணி is a rounding off. Okay, we get rounding off value. This is the first lesson. Are you clear, students? Next classல is a important based on the sums we are doing. So all are read very well. Next week you write the test or assignments we do. Okay, are you clear? Thank you, students.